Where's it nasty at?
It's right here.
Hmm?
It's right here.
Where? What's in there? What's in there?
Nothing.
What's in the pumpkin? Look in there. What's in there?
Squirrel.
Hmm?
Squirrel. There.
Look.
No, ew, it's nasty.
It's not nasty. They're seeds.
No, I want it.
We gotta take it out. We have to take it out.
Hey.
Ready? Let's take it out. Here, put your hands in there and take it out. Grab some. Grab some of the nasty. No?
Nasty.
No, it's not. Look.
Ew, I want it. It's nasty.
No, it's not.
Ew, it's nasty, Mom.
I don't think it's nasty. Look at all the seeds. We can cook the seeds and eat them. You want to cook the seeds and eat them?
Okay, look.
No.
Look. Look, Gabe.
Look, that guy's gonna do it.
Ew.
Your turn.
No,
Yeah, your turn.
no, I don't want it. Mom, I want it, guys.
Why not?
I want it.
I did it.
Why don't you want to turn?